Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the 2002D Lincoln penny. An unassuming 1-cent coin minted in Denver might just be the hidden treasure sitting quietly in your pocket change or coin jar. Oh, millions of these coins were produced as part of the regular circulation by the U.S. Mint. A few rare specimens have shocked the numismatic world by reaching sky-high values in today's collector market. What sets these few apart from the rest isn't just the mint mark or the urets, the rare mint errors. Unique die varieties in condition that makes some examples worth not just a few cents, but potentially millions of dollars. Among the most valuable of the 2002D Lincoln pennies are those struck with dramatic mint errors. These include off-center strikes, double dies, broad strikes, and coins with missing clad layers. A 2002D penny with a strong double die on Lincoln's face. Date or the lettering like "In God We Trust" or "Liberty" can command enormous value depending on its condition and prominence. Some error coins have fetched tens of thousands at auction, and if one has the right combination of rarity, condition, and demand, it could easily surge into the $1 million range in private sales or bidding wars between elite collectors. Another factor driving the value is the coin's grade. Coins that are graded MS68 or higher by professional services, such as PCGS or NGC, are considered nearly flawless and are incredibly rare. Most coins in circulation have scratches, nicks, or signs of wear, but a pristine 2002D Lincoln penny with a rare error or variety can turn a penny into a life-changing asset. Only a handful of coins survive in such mint condition, and their scarcity is what makes collectors and investors willing to pay unimaginable amounts to own them. There's also speculation in the numismatic world about the existence of experimental or transitional planchettes blanks intended for other coins, being mistakenly used to strike a 2002D penny. If such an error exists and is confirmed, it could become a once-in-a-lifetime discovery worth millions. The reason these rare coins go for such astronomical prices is because serious collectors will pay top dollar for the chance to complete their collection with a one-of-a-kind piece that no one else owns. If you're holding on to a 2002D Lincoln penny, don't spend it blindly. Carefully inspect it under magnification, check for doubling on the lettering, date and mint mark, and compare the coin's weight and color to regular examples. Even the smallest anomaly could be a sign of an incredibly rare mint error. If you believe your coin may be special, don't clean it. Have it evaluated and graded professionally. That tiny coin could be the key to overnight wealth and a completely different. Saced, the 2003D Lincoln penny, minted in Denver, might appear as just another ordinary coin in your pocket. But under certain conditions, it can transform into a $1 million treasure overnight. Collectors across the globe are hunting for a very specific variety of this 1-cent coin, a rare error version that, due to a minting mistake or unique die condition, stands out dramatically from the rest. What makes these coins so incredibly valuable isn't just their date or the mint mark, but the presence of distinctive flaws or features that occurred during production and went unnoticed at the time. Today, these subtle anomalies are exactly what makes them so highly sought after and worth a fortune. One of the most critical features to look for on the 2003D penny is a double die error, especially on the obverse side. That's Lincoln's portrait. Some of these rare coins exhibit strong doubling in the words "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date 2003. This doubling is not a result of damage or wear. It's a genuine mint error that occurred during the striking process. Another factor that can drive the value into the millions is an off-center strike. Clipped planchette, or coins, struck on the wrong metal composition. If the penny was mistakenly struck on a foreign coin blank or an experimental planchette, it becomes an ultra-dash rarity in recent years. Top-tier auction houses and private collectors have paid staggering amounts for pristine examples of 2003D Lincoln pennies with verified errors. Some MS67 or higher grade coins, especially those certified by reputable grading companies like PCGS or NGC, have crossed the 6-figure mark. When you add a major error to the equation, the value skyrockets into the millions. These are the coins that don't just sit in safes. They make headlines in numismatic circles and can change the life of whoever holds them. What's more surprising is that many of these valuable 2003D Lincoln pennies are still out there, in circulation or hidden in old coin jars, forgotten drawers, or family piggy banks. That means you could be holding a life-changing piece of American history without even knowing it. Experts always recommend checking the coin's details under magnification, especially around the lettering, date, and rim. The tiniest detail could separate an ordinary penny from a millionaire's coin. So if you have a 2003D penny in your possession, don't spend it without examining it first. Look closely for any irregularities, unusual metal colors, or striking errors. If you suspect anything rare or strange, it's worth sending it to a grading service for verification, because what might seem like just a simple copper coin could, in fact, be your golden ticket, a 1-cent piece that could make you rich overnight and rewrite your future entirely. The 1980D Lincoln cent may seem like just another common coin found in your pocket change, but hidden among these everyday pennies lies a potential treasure worth millions. This 1-cent coin, minted in Denver in 1980, features the classic image of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. At first glance, it may appear ordinary, but rare errors, specific die varieties, pristine conditions have made a select few of these coins extraordinarily valuable. While millions were minted, only a very small number possess the rare characteristics that drive collectors to pay life-changing amounts. One of the main factors that can make the 1980D penny worth a fortune is a minting error known as a double die. In some rare cases, the design was accidentally stamped twice, resulting in a noticeable doubling of letters and numbers on the coin, especially in the words, "In God we trust and liberty." These double die errors are highly prized in the coin collecting world because they occur so rarely and can significantly increase the coin's value. Coins with strong visible doubling can fetch tens of thousands, and in pristine, uncirculated condition, even reach into the millions when sold at high-profile auctions. Another element that can drive the value of the 1980D Lincoln penny sky high is the condition and grading of the coin. Coins graded MS-67 or higher by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC are incredibly rare. Most coins from that era have wear and tear from circulation, but if you've held on to an untouched, shiny example that's still in mint state, you're potentially holding a small fortune. Some collectors are constantly hunting for top-grade coins to complete their sets. They're willing to pay enormous sums for coins that meet these ultra-high standards. Additionally, off-center strikes, broad strikes, and die cap errors on 1980D pennies can make them one-of-a-kind collectibles. These mistakes happen when the coin isn't properly aligned during minting or gets stuck in the press, creating bizarre but fascinating results. Depending on how dramatic and rare the error is, these coins can sell for thousands to even hundreds of thousands of dollars, especially if the date and mint mark remain visible. The composition of the 1980D penny also plays a minor but interesting role. Made of 95% copper and 5% zinc, these coins are now worth more than face value just based on metal content alone. But beyond the metal, it's the numismatic rarity that turns this copper coin into a millionaire's dream. Some rumored specimens with ultra-rare varieties or privately held, undocumented errors have been reportedly traded in private sales for 7-figure sums. Although these cases are often kept confidential within elite collector circles, if you think you have a 1980D Lincoln penny, don't rush to spend it. Examine it closely for errors, wear, and overall condition. Using a magnifying glass or taking it to a professional coin appraiser could reveal a hidden gem in your possession. In the world of coin collecting, discoveries can happen in the most unexpected places, from pocket change to forgotten jars in the attic, so hold on to that 1980D penny. It might just be the ticket that turns you into an overnight millionaire. The 1999D Lincoln penny may appear like just another coin in your pocket change, but under the right circumstances it could be worth an astonishing fortune, potentially even millions of dollars. This 1-cent coin minted in Denver in 1999 has become a legend in the numismatic world due to a combination of rare minting errors, its unique varieties, and pristine conditions that make certain examples highly sought after by collectors. If you have this coin, don't rush to spend it. This could be your chance to change your life overnight. One of the main reasons some 1999D Lincoln cents are so valuable is due to rare errors, such as doubled dies, off-center strikes, or transitional metal planchettes. A doubled die occurs when the design on the die is impressed more than once, slightly misaligned, creating a ghosted or doubled appearance on the coin's date, lettering, or Lincoln's profile. These errors are rare and usually escape the mint unnoticed, making them extremely valuable when discovered by sharp-eyed collectors. One such error could push the value of your 1999D penny into 5 or 6 figures. Depending on how dramatic the flaw is and its visibility to the naked eye, another reason this coin has skyrocketed in value is its demand among collectors for full red uncirculated specimens. A Lincoln penny in MS67 or higher condition with its original red luster graded by trusted services like PCGS or NG Sacan easily command thousands of dollars. The top grade coins are incredibly scarce because most pennies enter circulation and pick up scratches, discoloration, and wear. But if your 1999D Lincoln cent has been preserved in a roll or stored in a collector's set, it could be sitting on a treasure that could sell at auction for life-changing amounts. Some specific varieties of the 1999D Lincoln cent are also extremely rare and valuable, like the wide AM reverse variety. While most 1999D pennies have the letters A and M in America touching, a rare version has a noticeable space between them. The variety was meant for proof coins but was accidentally used on a small number of business strike coins. These coins are very rare and can be worth thousands, especially in high grades. If you spot a wide AM on your coin, you could have one of the most coveted 1-cent coins ever minted. The coin's true value is determined by multiple factors: its grade, its rarity, any visible errors, and its demand in the collector's market. Auctions have recorded jaw-dropping sales of ordinary-looking coins that turned out to be incredibly rare versions. A single penny like the 1999D with the right features has the power to shift your financial future. This isn't just a piece of copper-coated zinc, it's potentially $1 million jackpot. It's hiding in plain sight. So before you drop another penny into a vending machine or donate your change jar, take a good look at your 1999D Lincoln cents. It might be worth more than your paycheck, more than your car, maybe even more than your house. The tiniest details could mean the difference between a regular coin and a historic fortune. If you own such a penny, protect it, grade it, and research it, because that little coin might just be your ticket to overnight wealth. In the world of coin collecting, certain ordinary-looking coins can hold extraordinary value. And the 1993D Lincoln penny is one such example that could turn your life around overnight. This 1-cent coin, minted in Denver, might appear just like every other penny in your pocket, but rare errors and unique characteristics have pushed some of these coins to staggering million-dollar valuations in today's collector market. If you're lucky enough to have this coin, don't spend it casually. Its true worth could completely transform your financial future. The most valuable 1993D Lincoln pennies are not just ordinary circulation coins. They possess unique minting errors or rare variations that make them highly sought after. Among these, the most prized are coins that feature doubled dies, off-center strikes, or coins struck on the wrong metal planchette. A doubled die averse, where the date or lettering appears doubled under magnification, is an especially valuable error. Such pieces are extremely rare, and collectors are willing to pay extraordinary amounts, sometimes exceeding hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the sharpness and clarity of the error. Another factor that can skyrocket the value of a 1993D penny is the condition, specifically those graded as MS70 or Mint State 70 by professional coin grading services. These coins are flawless, showing no signs of wear even under magnification. A 1993D penny in perfect mint condition, combined with a rare error, becomes an elite collector's item. In rare cases, such a coin could command offers in the $1 million range, especially when featured at major coin auctions or in private collections where competitive bidding drives up prices. Collectors also treasure transitional errors coins that were mistakenly struck using metal compositions from a previous or upcoming year. For example, a 1993 penny mistakenly struck on a bronze planchette, rather than the standard copper-plated zinc, would be considered a minting anomaly and extremely valuable. These transitional errors are exceedingly scarce, but when authenticated, they generate incredible interest and jaw-dropping valuations. It's just one coin with this kind of error could make you an instant millionaire. If you come across a 1993 Lincoln penny, look closely at every detail. Examine the date, mint mark, edges, and overall quality. Even minor flaws or irregularities can indicate a rare error. Use a magnifying glass or take it to a coin dealer or professional grading service to verify its authenticity and assess its value. Spending such a coin as regular change would be like throwing away a lottery ticket. It's vital to recognize its potential and seek expert advice before making any decisions. The beauty of coin collecting lies in the surprise that a seemingly worthless coin could be a hidden treasure. The 1993 Lincoln penny is a perfect example of this. From mint errors to high-grade conditions and rare planchette anomalies, these 1-cent coins have changed lives. So next time you check your pocket change, keep your eyes open. You might be holding a coin worth millions, just waiting to be discovered.